but call me Blackjack Hooligan. I came all the way from Aberdeen to live among the go-betweens. Let me tell you about Catfish Kate in the time before, when she's just Kate, here in the mountains all alone, before the time we call this home. Where is my angel falling? Down at the river bottom. And will she get away? Where is my Blackfoot blossom? Is she just playing possum, who lives another day? Here in the valley that we all know, a river bend that's deep and slow, where every creature drinks their fill and other creatures take their kill. Now Kate went to catch a fish to put inside a favorite dish. A catfish grabbed her by the head and took her to his house instead. Where is my angel falling? Down at the river bottom. And will she get away? Where is my Blackfoot blossom? Is she just playing possum, who lives another day? Well, they wrestled all the day and night, the morning show, the bloody sight. Kate all dressed in catfish clothes, his whiskers for her catfish robe, whiskers for her robe.